Hello, my name is Shreya and welcome to CherryMinds. Today, we'll be talking about the part of the body that we're going to be training, the brain. I'm going to be talking about some of the parts of the brain, some information associated with those parts of the brain, and some facts associated with it. So let's go. Say hello to your mind. Yes, this squishy, not so beautiful part of your body is called the brain. What are some of the adjectives that you can think about when you look at it? I know it is not as beautiful as other parts of our body, say our arms, our legs, our biceps, and probably that's the reason why it is neatly folded and sits hidden inside our skull. Neuroscientists are people who study the small functioning of the brain, and they have various terminologies entailing those small functions. But we are not going to go into those terminologies. We are going to be talking about the part of the brain that is important for us in our training at CherryMinds. And that part is this. You see this Maggie-like outer portion? It's the cerebral cortex. Did you know that it has actually been folded into these Maggie-like structures so that more neuronal activities can pass through it? Now, majority of the cerebral cortex is termed as neocortex, and it is so called because it is new in terms of cortical evolution in the vertebrate species. You see? So now the neocortex has various functioning, and we are not going to go into those complex terminologies or complex functioning, but I'm going to be talking about the parts of the neocortex that is important for us in our brain training. And some of the functioning of the neocortex is visual processing, auditory processing, but the part that we are most interested in is prefrontal cortex and the parietal cortex. So you see, prefrontal cortex and the parietal cortex is actually responsible for higher order processing. So higher order processing or higher order cognitions are planning, organization, impulse control, decision making, attention. And that is the responsibility of the prefrontal cortex and the parietal cortex. I wanted you to be familiarized with these terms. So today we learnt about neocortex, and it is the most recently developed part of our brain, which consists 80%. Now in the next video we'll be talking about what lies beneath the rest 20%. So thank you.